Hey, what's up guys? Turo ko po sa inyo ang apat na basic strumming. Ito yung basic strumming. First, down, 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 down. Next ay down, down, up, up, down. Next ay, ito yung isa. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down. Guys, next ay ito, pang-apat. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Guys, yan yung mga basic strumming na kailangan nyong malaman. And recap tayo. Balik natin sa umpisa. Mabagal lang. Down, 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 down. Dapat lang na down. Basic. Diba? Next ay down, down, up, up, down. Next ay down, down, up, up, down, up, down. Next ay down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Guys, ganyan lang yung mga basic strumming. Kaya sa mga gusto pang matuto, please subscribe and like. Thanks.